The last piece of the puzzle is I got to move the tool setter to this riser back up behind the rotary. And we have a vise installed on that leftmost 96mm pull stud base. We actually can't touch off short tools, and sometimes the rotary's in the way so that iris can't see the tool setter. But this setup's going to work so much better. Okay, so we got the reinstall the tool setter over here. We're going to take those 4 screws without a radial and tighten it up so it's locked down. And we got to level everything, make sure it's totally flat, and X and then Y looks like we're good to go. The long tool, short tool settings had to be changed so that the spindle can't hit the tool setter, and also it doesn't go up and error out at the beginning. That's the longest tool we regularly use. I broke off an indicator tip, don't know why. Okay, 4th thou, run out on this probe, horrible. Explained some problems on our last jobs. I trued it up, it's perfect. We need to calibrate the radius on the probe. I like to use these 4 magnets to hold it. You can toe clamp it down, but you cannot put it in a vise because you'll distort the size of the bore. But it's going to touch off the 4 quadrants, turn the probe around, touch the 4 quadrants again, then it's going to bump everything radially, and it should be calibrated. I'd missed the calibration on the tool setter with the master tool, but that's also set. You need to take a tool, touch it off on the tool setter, cut with that tool at a known location, and then touch off the probe to make sure that the probe's length is calibrated correctly in relation to how a tool touches off. So I'm going to do that at the end, putting away the ring gauge. Got to put some oil on it so it doesn't rust because it's going to be in there for like 2 months before I pull it out again. There I'm touching off a tool, getting the length of the probe, and then finally we're back in business making money.